Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Your Scholar Guide, and today is the second part of the video for how to apply for ATAS certificate or ATAS certificate or ATAS certificate, whatever you can call it. It is required for your visas for certain courses which are required by UK government, and the courses are such that which can be used for mass destruction. UK government asks for this certificate. ATAS full form is Academic Technology Approval Scheme, and I have talked about this in my previous video. If you not watched the previous video, I request you to go and watch the video. I will put the link in the description box, as well as it may be pop up in your top right corner of your computer screen or laptop screen. Having said that, let's get started. By clicking in the link in the description box, you can log in using your email ID and password, and you will be if you have previously applied, you will see this kind of interface. In your applications, one will be shown. It is partly completed. So because we have started in our previous video, let us complete it now. So it takes almost 1 hour because the documents required are long enough. So in proposed study, you can click on any of these sections and you can fill these details. Since it is going to take time, you can log out at any point of time, and the application will be saved. You can come back and you can restart again. And also please note that ATA certificate is valid for only 6 months from the date of issuing. So let's now let me show you what are the details to be filled in your proposed study. So in my proposed studies, I have filled University of Surrey, space engineering, when the course will start and course will end, when do you and the codes, and these are the codes of the particular courses. I'm going to study space engineering. It comes under aeronautical and aerospace engineering. And I have also found my supervisor. I have found written the details. So far we had discussed in previous video as well. Now in this question, what will you be studying? So please provide the description of your thesis or area of research as provided in the official documentation from your university. So for taught masters, since this is taught masters, please list the elective modules available to you. If there are no electives, please list the core modules. For M engineering degrees, please list only the final year electives, or if there are none, the core modules. So mine is masters, and I have listed optional and compulsory modules both. Semester 1 modules I have listed separately, semester 2 modules separately, and year long project also I have listed separately. Then there is a next question: why do you want to study these? So tell us why you are interested in the subject and your future plans. So this question you can answer similar to your personal statement, uh, how you got interested in the field, and like that, and no more than 2000 characters. It will be something like 400 words. Next question is what are your goals when you complete your intended program? What do you aim to achieve by end of the course, and how does this course tie in your future ambitions? Here you have to show what are your goals and how it is matching with your future program, and what are you going to achieve by learning this course at UK. So here again 2000 words, similar to your personal statement. You can make it. Is this a joint program with another country? If it is, you can click yes, otherwise no, and you can save for later. Then you can jump to second, personal details. Personal details you can fill it as it is personal to you. Then spouse, whether you are a married person or a non-married person. So single, I have put single. Whatever is applicable to you, you can put that. Next, let us move on. Contact details. Here simply they will ask your contact details. You can fill it in. Undergraduate or postgraduate studies. In this one, have you undertaken any undergraduate or postgraduate studies? If yes, you click yes, and university name also you'll need to provide. I have studied in Institute of Space Science and Technology, Aerospace Engineering, and the university address also you can give them. Then the country where it is located and the course which you have studied. Also, you have to provide what was the start date of your course and when did your course end. And the qualification achieved, you can also write the degree name, btech in aerospace engineering or bsc or b pharma, whatever is applicable to you. Then what did you studied in a brief, you have to write it here, not more than 500 characters. So I have listed some key modules of whatever I studied. And if you have further studied, then you can click the add another study button and you can add them as well. Nextly, other studies, if at all you have any other studies. Since I have taken none, I have clicked none. And published papers, it's an important part. If you have some published paper, you must give details here. So you have to give title of your paper. I have published strategy for earth re-entry. So I have given this details. What was the subject it was about? It was about aerospace engineering. You can also consider it in space engineering, but I have preferred aerospace engineering. In which year was it published? You can give the details, and a brief summary of your paper also you can give it here. Also, it should not be more than 500 characters. Let us jump to employment history. So if you, after your graduation or after your studies, if you have been employed, you can click yes or no. And about your job also, you have to mention in which company or organization you are worked for. Then what was their address also you can give. I have worked in Indian Space Research Organization for now 5 years, and this is the address, so I have given it. And the details of the address, such as postal code, country, and what position did you hold. I am now in scientist engineer SD, I have given so. And when did your job start, the dates of job starting. If you are still doing the job, click yes. If you are not clicking, not doing, then click no. And job description also you can give in not more than 500 characters again. Then you will need to give referees details. They will ask at least two referee details. I'll not be I'll be reading out this for you. This section is about the people who will be providing references for your application. You must have known your referees for at least 3 years. You need to give us details of at least two referees before you submit your application, and at least one of them should be an academic from your country of origin. That means one from your college or university, it should be there. If you do not have all of the information you need, you can provide some details now and come back later to complete this section if you need to. Also, please note that friends and family are not accepted as referees. After filling details of the referees, you can go to 10th section, which is final section, sponsors. In sponsorship, I have provided my Shivning Award by FCDO UK as my name of sponsor, and I put the address of them, Chevening Secretariat UK. Postal code, if it is applicable, you can write. I have not written it. And country of your sponsor. Then what email address should we use if we want to contact your sponsor? So for India, this email will work fine for me. And conditions, if there are any condition attached to your sponsor's offer, if there are some conditions, you can click yes, otherwise no. And you can click on save for letter. This way your ATAS certificate will be completed. You can click on apply for an ATAS certificate. When all of these your parts are completed, your certificate will be submitted to the concerned authorities. Well, this was today's video. If you have any doubt or difficulty, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And I thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.